and welcome to Rain's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you guys the recipe of vegetable spiced rice. So let's get into it. So first in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter with 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and with 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder with some curry leaves. And now give it a good mix and saute it for 1 minute. Now add 3 large chopped garlic with few green chilies and onion, and now give it a good mix and saute it for 3 minutes on low flame. Now add a small tomato and give it a good mix and saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of carrots, some green peas, green bell pepper, and saute it for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. And now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook. After that, open the lid and give it a good mix again. Now in it, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Give it a good mix, and now add the leftover rice and give it a good mix again. Now add salt as per taste. Give it a mix and garnish it with some coriander. And yes, our spiced rice is ready. Thank you.